I am involved in two separate aspects of research. I'm a member of the University's UK Biobank Research Group. So this is looking at a large epidemiological data set of around about 500,000 adults in the UK. And we're particularly interested in how various lifestyle, environmental and physiological factors are associated with long-term disease outcomes. So within that, I am interested in markers such as estimated cardiorespiratory fitness and physical markers such as grip strength, things like physical activity and sedentary behaviour and how they associate with disease. And the focus of my own personal research, so my PhD, is looking into musculoskeletal health in both children and adults with inflammatory bowel disease. So within that, we are using methods of high resolution micro MRI to look at bone microarchitecture and also muscle mass, and we're then also using some muscle function assessments to get an overarching picture of what muscle bone unit looks like in children and adults with IBD. And we're interested in looking at the feasibility of how can exercise potentially be introduced as an adjunctive therapy to improve musculoskeletal health and hopefully improve disease in these patients. Throughout my university career, I sort of transitioned from wanting to be an applied physiologist to then being more interested in, how can physical activity and exercise and improvements in musculoskeletal health, how can they be applied to chronic disease, both as a preventative measure but also as a management tool. It's nice, especially when you have interactions with the participants and the patients and their families. You get to know them a little bit and you get that personal feel for it. They get some sort of reward from it, and it's also nice that you get to kind of help them along the way. It's been a bit of a dull year for a lot of things, so it was really nice to get this award. And there's a lot of excellent researchers out there, so to be acknowledged amongst them is a nice personal feeling. But also, as I said, everything that I've done has been very much a collaborative effort. So I've been sort of lucky to be the early career researcher as part of it, but really it's an acknowledgement of the work of all the groups that I've been involved in.